everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money. And today it's how to remove the dispenser drawer on your John Lewis washing machine. This is so that you can give it a good clean, get rid of any gunk and gunge and mould. This is because you don't want it going down into the washing machine and getting on all your clothes. Before we get started, there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. And this is the John Lewis washing machine here. And the dispenser drawer is on the top left hand corner. So what you do is put your fingers underneath, pull it out gently until it reaches a point where it won't come any further because it hits a clip, and then push down this button here very gently, and as you're pushing it down, pull the dispenser drawer out, and then it should just come out all the way. And as you can see with this one, we've got lots of washing powder residue in here which we can clean out. We've also got lots of scaling here because we're in a hard water area. And to give it a good clean, you can also remove these blue flaps here. Now what you need to do is borrow your wife's toothbrush, and with some hot soapy water, just give that a detergent drawer a really good clean with the toothbrush. This is a dispenser drawer from another washing machine which is filthy dirty. Whilst I'm cleaning this, there's a link above now about various how-to guides on all sorts of makes and models of washing machines. Now before you put the dispenser drawer back, it's definitely worth having a look at the inside drawer here, and this one's got lots of mould and gunk in it, so it's definitely worth getting a cloth in there with some hot soapy water and giving that a good scrub. Don't be tempted to use your wife's toothbrush in here, because if you let go of it, it could go down the hole and get stuck inside the washing machine. Now to put the dispenser drawer back in, just line it up with the grooves, push it all the way until it reaches that point where it won't go any further, and then you might have to push the button back down again as you're pushing it inwards just to get it past that clip. And whilst you're doing this, it's also definitely worth having a look at the rubbers inside. Now making sure that this is all nice and clean and that the drainage holes are nice and clear. And then don't forget to put your wife's toothbrush back and hope she doesn't notice. And then you're ready to have a fresh wash and your clothes will come out super clean and super fresh. If you would like more videos on how to save you time and money, then please press the subscribe button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, everyone. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. And be sure to hit that bell notification tab.